All right, did a full recap on this Xbox here, the original Xbox. Modified the lights. Instead of green, you can get blue now and it starts up. All the ports have blue as well. Plugging in the joystick, our controller, and powering on the TV now, and you can see that the system is up and stable. I did a full recap on the chipsets, so you're gonna have like the GPU, which is your graphics, and then also your Intel chip, which is your CPU. So all those get recapped, as well as, since this is the original Xbox from like version 2002, which is like a 1.1, 1.2 version, it requires the clock capacitor to be replaced as well. So this is stable, working good. Let's load up a game. Ejects fine. Let's try a game. And this is Worms 3D. And there you have it. This was good to go. Again, beautiful LEDs have been replaced.